Playing with some makeup. Want to make this look a little grungy. So I am just going to play and make it real grungy with a grungy green I have. And we will just proceed. That's a grungy green. I'm going into a darker brown and I'm starting in the inner corner. I'm refreshing the shimmer. I'm going into a light beige and I'm going to put it in the brow bone. I'm changing my blush. I'm putting an orange blush on. This is a very light shade of pink, and over here I am putting orange over it. I'm using the Juvia's Place, and in here has an orange. I have the Color Fix by Danessa Myrex, and it is the shade Vamp. I'm going to use that as my lip color. I always take a little bit. and put it on the back of my hand. Looks like it's dark. It might just be stuck. Let's see. This is the amount right here. My lip already had a color on it, which I wipe off, but then I put a little bit of lip gloss because this is a matte color fix. So I always put a little bit of gloss on there because I don't want it too matte. Then there's some Myrex Color Fix Wine Liner. Today's I am is I deserve a fulfilling relationship. I deserve a fulfilling relationship. You deserve a filling relationship. This is the eye look for today. Always remember you first. Never ever give up on yourself. Love yourself plenty. And until I see you and you see me, know that you deserve a fulfilling relationship. You deserve a fulfilling relationship. Whichever relationship it is, whatever relationship it is, you deserve a fulfilling one. Bye. See you shortly. Yes, that's okay. I'm done.